Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress forms to push leads to HubSpot step by step clearly. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. First, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to search for form plugins. Install a popular forms plugin like WP Forms or Contact Form 7. Once installed, activate the plugin. Next, go to the plugin settings to create a new form. Design your form by adding necessary fields like name, email, and phone number. Once you are satisfied with the form, save your changes. Now, log into your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, navigate to the Settings gear icon. Scroll down to the Integrations section. Click on API key to generate a new API key if you don't have one yet. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Return to your WordPress site and go back to the Forms plugin settings. Find the option to integrate with HubSpot. Paste the HubSpot API key into the designated field. Now, map the form fields to the corresponding HubSpot contact properties. Ensure that each field matches correctly for seamless integration. Once mapping is complete, save the settings. Next, go to the page or post where you want to display the form. Insert the form using the provided shortcode or block. Save your changes and update the page. Now, submit a test entry through the form on your site. Finally, log back into HubSpot to verify that the lead appears in your contact list. You have successfully configured WordPress forms to push leads to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.